Top 10 Best Camping Knives, Pieces of Equipment You Need to Bring on Your Trip. You'll find it handy for many things preparing food. Number 10. Spyderco Enduro 4-folding blade, which is 2.875 long, while the knife is 7.125 long when open. On top of this, it weighs only 2.5 oz. The Endura is the first lightweight pocket knife with pocket clip and one-handed operation thanks to the enlarged opening hole. High carbon blade. Spine jimping. Easy one-hand open. Number 9. Columbia River Knife and Tool CRKT Meharry, but it's also used by special forces. It comes with a 3.875-inch black blade with VEF serrations, and a Tonto point to give it exceptional strength. Stainless steel blade is coated with titanium nitride to make it corrosion resistant. G10 handle. Tonto point. Titanium coated blade. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best camping knives or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Gerber Strongarm 420 high coating on it. Blade is 4.8 long while with handle included the knife measures 9.8. Total weight is 7.9 oz. Handle is made from glass-filled nylon with rubber on top, and has a diamond texture to give you a fantastic grip. Fixed blade survival knife. Moyer compatible sheath mount. Striking pommel. Number 7. Gerber Grylls Ultimate. Gerber, a reliable manufacturer. It's a fixed blade knife which is 10 inches long, where the blade itself measures 4.75. This is a full tang knife with a stainless steel blade. The edge has serrations close to the handle, and the rest is straight. Fixed blade with great sheath. Stainless steel pommel. Ergonomic rubber grip. Number 6. Spyderco Tenacious Plain Edge DR13 moves stainless steel, with additional features like non-reflective black coating and a flat edge. It's 3.39 long, while the open knife measures 7.76. Blade includes an oversized round hole which makes it easy to open the knife. G10 handle. 4-way pocket clip. Oversized hole for opening. Number 5. Kershaw Blur Black Pocket. 4-inch stainless steel blade with a drop point, while weighing only 3.9 oz. You can modify this knife to your liking. Different colors are available as well as a choice between fine and serrated edge. Blade has DLC on top of Sandvik steel which gives it exceptional toughness. Large drop point blade. DLC coating. Assisted opening. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best camping knives or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Opinel Carbon Steel Folding Generations. You can choose between 6 blade lengths when buying, ranging from 2.76 to 4.72. Blade is made from carbon steel and offers fantastic wear resistance and easy sharpening. It can corrode so you need to wipe. Classic design. Viroblock safety ring. Available in different lengths. Number 3. Smith & Wesson SWA 24S 7.1N. And this one offers a different design. It's a clip point folding knife which is 7.1 long when open, with blade itself measuring 3.1 inches. It's serrated and made from black oxide stainless steel. Handle is also black and made from aluminum. Serrated blade. Jimping on the spine. Easy to open one-handed. Number 2. Morakniv Companion Fixed Blade, the top-rated camping knives according to many camping enthusiasts. They feature a simple design, a drop-point blade made from Sandvik stainless steel and a patterned, high-friction grip made from a combination of rubber and plastic. Total knife length is 8.6, razor-sharp stainless steel blade. Many colors with a matching sheath. Very lightweight. Number 1. Smith & Wesson SWA HRT 9B 9 inches high, is made from stainless steel, and the design includes a dual edge and a blood groove. Whole knife is 9 long and weighs 7.7 oz, while you get a blade which is 4.7 long. Handle has an ergonomic design. And it's made from rubber which feels good. Dual edge blade. Dagger point. Handguard. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best camping knives or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.